What's the meaning of bear market? Bear market. Bear market.
Bear market. Bear market. A bear market refers to a financial market characterized by falling asset prices, investor pessimism, and widespread selling. This term is commonly used in reference to the stock market, but it can also apply to other assets, such as real estate or commodities. During a bear market, investors are generally pessimistic about the future prospects of the market and tend to sell their positions to avoid further losses. This selling pressure can perpetuate the downward trend and lead to even larger losses. Bear markets are often associated with economic downturns and can last for an extended period, making them a challenging environment for investors.